फिट रहना उतना मुश्किल काम नहीं है जितना कुछ लोगों को लगता है। फिटनेस की डोज आधा घंटा रोज। इस मंत्र में सभी का स्वास्थ्य, सभी का सुख छिपा हुआ है।
Let me introduce myself. Hello boys and girls, this is Alia and I'm your fitness coach. And along with this, and what are we going to do today? We're going to play some exciting game, merging them with exercises. थोड़ा indoor games और exercises को merge करेंगे और इसके लिए मैं Fit India movement का बहुत thanks करती हूँ to take some initiative and bring something exciting for kids. At the same time, CBSE school and ICSE school and all the other boards to take this initiative and bring some create an exciting platform for kids जो घर पे बैठे हैं और फिर भी कुछ एक्टिविटी करना चाहते हैं। तो घर पे बैठ के भी आप सबसे बेहतर एक्टिविटी क्या कर सकते हो? एक्सरसाइजेस, डांस, फिटनेस। ऑब्वियसली हम बाहर के आउटडोर्स एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड अप द मैक्स at home, we are going to do that. So thank you all the boards for supporting kids like this, and thank you so much Fit India movement for taking sessions on Fit India Active Day sessions and like creating a jam for the day for kids. Thank you so much. Now further, what are we going to do? आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं मैं आपको बताती हूँ। आपने snakes and ladders का तो नाम सुना होगा, सुना है ना, right? कि भूल गए हो? Let me know. I'm sure snakes and ladders सुना है, खेल भी रहे हो, और जिनके पास बोर्ड नहीं है, जैसे मेरे पास भी बोर्ड नहीं था, so we created this board. Yes guys, I'm going to bring close this to you and I'm going to make you understand that how, okay, don't make fun of my snakes. I know I'm very bad at drawing, okay? So we created this board, इससे थोड़ा सा creativity हुई है and साथ ही में हम ये स्नेक्स एंड लैडर्स को मर्ज करेंगे एक्सरसाइजेस से। सो हम किस तरीके से मर्ज करेंगे, I'll tell you. Okay guys, so ये डाइस है, you know that, right? And ये exercises है. So now again I said don't go on my drawing. You know everyone is not perfect in everything, right? So yes, ये डाइस है और ये है एक्सरसाइज। So जब अगर हमें 1 नंबर आएगा डाइस में, तो 1 की एक्सरसाइजेस है जंपिंग जैक्स 15। वहाँ पे हम साथ में खेलते रहेंगे, ठीक है? हम खेलते रहेंगे, अपने पेरेंट्स को इन्वॉल्व करिए, आपके सिबलिंग्स को इन्वॉल्व करिए इस गेम में एंड मेक श्योर यू मेक बेस्ट ऑफ द गेम, स्वेट इट आउट, burn calories, add fun to your trainings and do the best for yourself, okay? For yourself and for your family. ये फैमिली बॉन्डिंग के लिए भी ये बहुत बेहतर गेम है, okay? So it's like 1, so 15 jumping jacks. If we get 2 on the dice, squats, 10 reps of squats, okay? If we have 3, shuffling for 30 seconds, so this is like that, okay? If we have 4, skaters, 10 reps. 5, punching. Boys, this is for you. Yeah, punch hard. And even my girls, you got to go more stronger than boys, yeah? And then we have 6, no exercise. I'm going to be lazy and I'm going to have fun if I have 6. And if a snake bite me, okay, that's a punishment. I have to choose any 3 exercise and do it back to back. Oh my God, I pray a snake doesn't bite me, please, okay? And if I get a ladder here, yes, अगर मैं कोई सीढ़ी चढ़ जाती हूँ, तो मेरे लिए है dance. Yes, I get a chance to dance. Yeah, and who doesn't want to dance? I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for dance with you all. Okay? So हम इस तरीके से ये गेम खेलेंगे. एक्सरसाइजेस भी होगी, गेम भी खेला जाएगा, पसीना भी जाएगा, एक्टिव भी रहोगे और खाना भी अच्छे से खाओगे. नाउ मेक श्योर ये समर वेकेशंस है, ये बच्चों के ग्रोथ का टाइम होता है. बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चे खेलते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से ग्रो करते हैं. तो अब हम बाहर नहीं खेल पा रहे हैं, तो हम ये पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू मेक श्योर दैट वी मर्ज इंडोर गेम्स with some exercises and we create a blast for ourselves and make sure that we still keep growing. Yeah. And make sure you eat right, okay kids? With all the exercises, nutrients should reach your body. So try to go with healthy food. Yeah, that's must. So let's take it ahead. Are you all ready? I'm not going to do any cheating. That's a promise. Yeah. And I hope you do play along with me. Get your snakes and ladders game right away. And if in case you don't have it right now, create one like me. Even with poor snakes, that's okay. We got to focus on ladders, then snakes, yeah? हमें ladders पे focus करना है, बजाय snakes के. So make sure you do that. Thank you so much, guys. I'm receiving so many compliments here, and I really appreciate it. And I'll make sure that this session goes rocking, and it will just be rocking if you do along with me. So please do that, yeah? Okay, so I've known the exercises. I'm all right here, okay? I'm just going to play some music, do the shuffling of the dice, and see what comes in my fortune, yeah? Enjoying the music? Let's go! So the first, I'm not doing any cheating, guys. Let's see what comes here. Oh my God, and it comes 3. Oh, let's go. Let's start off with this. So we are going to go 1, 2, 3. And the third exercise was shuffling, 30 seconds. Now how to do your shuffling? Let's go. Yes, spine neutral. आपको अब I'm sure समझ में आएगा spine neutral क्या होती है जब हमारा chest out होगा. 30 seconds, let it high with the music. High. Woo! Big. High long exercise. 30 seconds and now just 10 seconds left. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh my God, that was fun. That was fun. And now let's take it more ahead. Let's see what's there on the dice next. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, I got 6. I swear I got 6. And we are not going to do any cheating, as I said. I got 6, so no exercise for me, yeah. But I'm going to go high on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I am safe. Yeah. I'm on number 9. Okay, let's do it one more time. Woo! Okay, just let's do it one more time. And here I got number 4. Yeah. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm on 30. And number 4 exercise. Skaters, are you ready? Let's go. Let's on to music. 4, 3, 2, go. Skaters. 10 reps. Alright, spirit for 30 seconds. Woo! Come on, legs. One last time. Awesome. I hope you're enjoying this. Enjoy the music and the exercises. Now let's go. What comes next with the dice? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's play. And here I have, no cheating, no cheating. And here I have number 5. Did you see? Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my, I'm still stiff. Snake didn't bit me yet. Number 5 exercises is punching. Boys and girls, be ready. Come on. Punching. Let's go on with the music. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Woo! Punch on. Punch on. 30 seconds, don't stop. Punch on. There we go. Woo! Woo! One more. Woo! One more. Yeah. Keep marching. You gotta do an active rest. Didn't I tell you, utilize your energy? Okay. Let's take the dice. Let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Oh my God, oh my God. Let's. I'm shuffling. Yeah. Here I get number 2. No more snake biting. Let's move on here. Hope you can see the God. Yeah, I am moving. 1 and 2, number 20. Okay, and 2 was 10 squats. Let's go with the music. 4, 3, 2, 1. Speed up with your squats. Woo! Let's go high. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah! Okay, again coming back to you all for my other ladder. Let's see, I hope I get a ladder. I hope not a ladder too soon, but I hope I don't get a snake bite. Okay, here I get again 3. Let's go. I am super saved, yeah! I am super saved. 1, 2, 3, I'm just saved. Prayers work, guys, prayers work. 1, 2, 3. That was a snake on 22. I am super saved. Now let's see what we have in 3. Again, we have the shuffling. Ready? Shuffling. Woo! Get on here. Woo! Let's go. Sweat hard. Come on. Spine neutral. Torso out. No more dancing yet. Yeah. You already go with this. Whoa! You can add a little dance here. You can add a little dance to your training. Let's go with the other exercise and other number. I'm still very far from the ladder. Yeah. Oh my God. I got number 3 again. Why? I just have to do this? No. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Again, squats. Sorry, shuffling. Let's go high. 30 seconds shuffling. Let's go high. Woo, I hope you're enjoying the game. Speed up. 30 seconds. Show all your energy. Woo! Don't worry, we're going to get back to this music, yeah? Okay, let's do it. Oh my God, I hope you're sweating as I am. Girls and boys, if I can do, you can do much better than me, yeah? Let's go high. Let's see what's there next. Waiting for us. Here I have 5. 5, number 5 for the first time, I guess. No, for the second time. Okay, so let's move ahead. 1, 2, 3. I was here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh God, I just missed 1 to raise the ladder. Huh, that's bad. Let's go again with punching high. Ready? Keep the movement on with the punching. Woo! 4, 3, 2, go. Okay, this is going to be on again. We're going to start with the music. 30 seconds punching. Punch hard. Come on, girls. Woo! Fantastic. 30 seconds are already done. And I am at super, I guess, 32. I'm at 31. Let's play. Let's play hard, yeah? Yeah. And I got again, I don't want repeated exercises. For a change, I got 2, yeah? Squat 10 reps. Let's see, I again missed 1 climbing. I missed climbing up a ladder. Now, Destiny is not that much with me, yeah? So 1, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I didn't even miss climbing. A snake bit me. Yes, I have to do at least 3 exercises now as a punishment and come down to scale 7. Now that's really weird. Oh my God. This shouldn't have happened with me in front of kids at least. Yeah. Okay. So snake bit me. and back again to 7. Woo! Choosing 3 exercises for you all. 4, 3, 2, counting 1. Woo! Come on, Bachar! Woo! 10 seconds down! So here we go. You know what happened with me? I just came down on scale 7 and I was on the urge of doing 3 exercises, and I actually did 3 exercises. You have missed my jumping jacks, but that was the first exercise. If you get one, like, we can do jumping jacks. But let's take the session ahead. Let's make it more exciting and more fun. Nothing can stop us. If we think that nothing can stop us, nothing will actually stop us. Take it ahead. Let's go with the flow. I don't want that snake bite again. Please. I want ladders, God. I want ladders. Let's take it. Here I have number 4. Let's go. Let's see what's there in number 4. Skaters. We have super skaters. Let's go high. That's my, yeah. Sorry, I missed a few things here and there, like, you know. Ready? Okay. Yeah, here we go with skaters. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3. Pick up your leg and throw back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Follow down. 10, 9, and 10. Here we go. Okay. Now we did add number 4. So I was in 7, 1, 2, 3. Again, back to 11. Let's go high. Let's see what's there next. Okay, let's see what's there next. Still shuffling. Number 5. Let's go high with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got all 54. Rise up scale. If you cannot see, I tell you, I got a ladder. Woo! Number 5. I can dance now. Yeah. That's high. I can dance. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. All enjoyment. Yeah. Finally, I got a chance to dance like that. Yeah. Now let's take it more ahead. What are we going to do? Next, take it more high. Okay, guys. I got number 1. Yeah. After 54, now it's time to get 55. Let's begin. Jumping jacks, right? 15 reps. Woo! Keep counting. Woo! Yeah, did that. Let's take it more high. Let's take it more high. Let's see what's there next. Number 4 again. Oh God, this is killing. Number 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got one more ladder. Woohoo! And I reached 81. Bakka no cheating, okay? I am absolute loyal to you. I got one more ladder. From 59 to 81. It's my time to dance again.
Maximum volume.
Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wave, wave, and wave. Decide. Wave, 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 and wave. Wave, 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 and wave. Back, 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 and back. Wave, wave, I love the other part of the music. We'll probably do it next time. Let's take it more further. I hope I only get ladders and no more snake bites. Let's do that. So I get 2. You got it right, 2. Let's work it more. I'm still safe. 1 and 2. 83. The snake is on 98 and 95. I have to beware. So I got 2 and that's only 10. 10 squats. Let's begin with the start. Woo! You can add some steps. Yeah. 1 more. Go with the music. Yeah. Go with the music sometimes. Yes, good. Ready? Short and serious exercise. Keep going high. Yeah. I just said 10 squats. Yeah, and look down. Yeah. Okay. Keep that active rest on. Guys, you are kids. You got to utilize your maximum energy. So don't rest in between, okay? Try to hit hard. Try to be on the floor for the maximum time, okay? Involve your parents, involve your siblings, and hit high. Involve your grandparents as well. They can take 10 rounds of the house at least, yeah? Isn't that so? So let's do high. Let's see what's there. I got 1 jump, and that's jumping jack. Jumping jack. Don't. Let me go higher. 84. Woo! Let's go with the music. Play with the dice. Let's see what's next. We got 2. We got 2. Again, 10 squats. Let's move on your 85 and 86. 10 squats. Ready? What about more steps with your squats? Yeah. 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 Now let's do some serious squats. Oh my God. Don't worry about the music. Worry about my training. I'm benching high. Okay. So we did 10 squats. Yes, people, this exercise, this game is enough to drench you. You can see me drenching. And you spotty people, you nerdy boys and girls, you can make it high. You can give your best trainings to yourself. Choose the best exercises. If you want to change some exercises, keep the game sane. Try to keep as happening music as possible. Create fun, yeah? That's what the agenda is of Fit India and all the boards, right? Yeah. So, what was that? Did I do that? 2, right? Okay. Okay, let's do it once more. I forgot. Okay, I got 3. 3, I swear I didn't change it, okay? Yeah. So let's go high. 1, 2, and 3. 89 I am. I don't want any snake bites. And 3 is, again I'll show you, 3 is shuffling, okay? Let me come near and show you. 3 is shuffling. With the music, connect yourself with the music. Woo! High on! 30 seconds, don't give up. Be on your toes. Spread high. Speed up. Woo! Yeah. 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 Hey, that was fun, okay? Okay. You can create your own steps and add to your exercises, but make sure you do functional activity and merge that into exercise. आपको functional activity और exercises को merge करोगे तो सबसे ज़्यादा benefit होगा. सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट होगा, ओके, एंड सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग होगा. यस, लेट्स गो एंड टेक इट हाई. Dude, I don't want any snake bites. Please save me. Oh my God. Here I have 4, okay? 4, number 4. 4 is skaters again. Skaters. Okay? Let's take it high. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 93. 93, high skaters. Down, deep down, skating. Kick back high. Yeah. Fantastic. Keep going. Last one. Ooh, awesome. Let's come back to you. Let's come back to you. Let's see what they're next. Okay, let's. Okay, now this is 6. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now this is taking my breath away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God! Woohoo! I am on 99. If I can show you, I am on 99. Let me take this out. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I am at 99. I was like on your 93. I got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 99 I am on, okay? Lucky me! Yes. Oh my God. At least I am saved from all the snake bites. And since I have got 6, I know exercise right now. But now it's difficult to get 1, okay? So let's play till we get 1. We are going to keep doing the exercises. We are not going to give up. Number 5. Number 5 was punching. Hit hard. Okay?
Maximum volume.
Okay, maximum volume, he says. Hit, punch hard. Punch this way this time. Down, up, down, up, down. Alternate hand. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Woo! Let's take it to the next time. What do we have? I hope I get 1. And here I got 3. No more. So here we have 3. Shuffling again. 30 seconds shuffling. That's it. High shuffling. Go high every training. Yeah. Shuffling. Speed up with the music. Woo! Okay, I have to slow that down because I'm waiting for 1. Okay, I hope I get 1. What is this? Oh! Oh! Seriously? Seriously? I didn't do anything. Oh my God, I got 1 and I won! Yay! I won, and with me, you too won. Yeah. Okay, guys. So yes, I completed the game with you. It was just me single-handedly playing, so it was too fast. But probably when you play, जब आप खेलोगे अपनी family के साथ, अपने parents के साथ, अपने grandparents के साथ, अपने siblings के साथ, बहुत मजा आएगा. Trust me, okay? Exercises करो, dance करो, खेलो, जीतो, क्योंकि खेलेगा India, तभी तो बढ़ेगा India, right? Yeah, that's what's the punchline. Yeah. Thank you all. Fit India. I really want to thank you because not just you guys, so am I excited about these sessions. बहुत मजा आता है ये sessions करके, बच्चों के लिए especially. So yes, thank you so much. I'm proud to be a part of Fit India sessions, active day sessions, and of course now merge with all the CBSE and ICSE and all the boards. So it is great working out with you all. Please make sure कि cool down बहुत ज़रूरी है. अपने respective जगह पे cool down ज़रूर करें. अपने parents को भी करवाएं. थोड़े से stretches. बहुत सारे trainings देख रहे हो अभी आप Fit India movement पे. Fit India YouTube channel पर रोज़ आपके लिए जो हो रहे हैं, तो वहाँ से stretches लीजिए, ज़रूर perform करिए, and then go and have healthy delicious खाना ठीक है, सो आई साइन ऑफ. होप आपको बहुत मजा आया. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया, क्योंकि अगर आप कर रहे हो मेरे साथ में, या आप सोच रहे हो कि आप ये गेम प्ले करोगे, तभी आपको मजा आएगा. ठीक है, सो प्रैक्टिकली करो तो बहुत मजा आएगा. ओके, सो सी यू अगेन sooner than soon. Until then, you are going to keep having these classes, so take maximum advantage of these classes and rock it out. Rock your day, start your day with Fit India officials and with all the boards who has taken this initiative to do something for you. So take the maximum benefit लो इसका. ठीक है, so I sign off and see you all again sooner than soon. Before that, yeah, one last time for you guys. Woo! Got you heard the music? Yeah! 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 Whoa! Last time! Let's take it back! One last time for you guys! Yeah! Keep going slow! Keep going slow! When you win, you can show your excitement, right? Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Merge all the movements, merge all the exercises.
Maximum
Oh
volume.
my god. Woo! Last time for you people. Speed up. Take it high. Come on, guys. Speed up. Woo! I'm tired here. Woo! Okay, guys. So I sign off. Bye bye. Take care and see you sooner than soon. Bye bye.